Hello and welcome back to How Not to Make Lemon Garlic Shrimp over Creamy Parmesan Risotto. Here are the basic steps, and I recommend pausing at the beginning so you can take a look to see what you need to do yourself. Anyway, I started with zesting and halving the lemons here that I'm going to be using, both for the lemon zest later and for some lemon juice that'll go in the shrimp and the risotto. Now we've got the scallions. We're going to be cooking the whites and garnishing with the greens, so keep those separate. In the pot to my left, you see me putting in the whites with some garlic. That's going to be going towards the risotto later. So now we are trimming up the greens, and we're going to put those to the side until the very end. So next thing, we've got some garlic going in with the shrimp. We have some lemon zest, half a teaspoon of sugar, as well as some olive oil. I am literally going to toss it to combine it. And of course we have to have 5 unbroken repetitions on that. So that's what you see me do here for the next 10 seconds. Toss it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nailed it. Then just some regular shaking. And we've also started mixing 4 to 7 cups of hot water with the stock concentrate. Meanwhile, in that pot, we've already got the butter, scallion whites, and garlic. And we're going to go ahead and be adding the rice right there. And then slowly, half a cup of stock to the pan with the rice mixture at a time, cooking, stirring until the liquid has been mostly absorbed. So the directions themselves actually say it'll take 25 to 30 minutes. I think it took a lot longer, as did my shrimp. They didn't cook in just 2 or 3 minutes. I probably had them on the heat for a little bit longer than that, and they weren't burnt or overcooked in the slightest. So you'll definitely have to play that by ear with the size of your shrimp. So after they are done, stir in a squeeze of lemon juice, turning off the heat, and what you see me doing there, I've got some butter, some Parmesan. They also get some lemon juice, and you can taste and season with more salt and pepper. And next step, obviously, we'll just be plating. Feel free to add more chili flakes if you want. And of course, the stirring never ends. So at the end of the day, we'll be putting some risotto on the plates, topping it off with some shrimp, and then we once again garnish it with those scallion greens, some lemon zest, and like I said, if you're really into making this a hot dish, throw on those chili flakes and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in to my video of how not to make lemon garlic shrimp over creamy Parmesan risotto. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.